Girls are the base of life. Educate them, empower them, and take one more step towards brightening the future of nation. With this belief and principles of Arya Samaj, 50 years back in 1970, the foundation stone of KL Mehta Dayanand College for Women Faridabad was laid. The college owes its inception to our revered founder, the late President Shri K.L. Mehta. After his demise, the late Dr. Vimal Mehta took hold the reins of the college, and presently the notion of women's education and empowerment are carried forward by Shri Anand Mehta. Due to perpetual inspiration and supervision of the management and the tremendous efforts of teachers and administrative staff, the college has emerged as a preeminent women's educational institute of Haryana. College celebrated its glorious 5 decades in the academic session 1920. Haryana Chief Minister Shri Manohar Lal Khattar addressed the gathering during the Golden Jubilee celebrations of the college and advocated the girls' education and empowerment. Very soon, college will start its admission process for first year students, and we will keep you updated whenever the online portal opens. So please keep the required documents ready to avoid any last minute hassle. Documents required for general category students are copy of 10th and 12th class DMC, 2 passport size photographs, mobile number of student and her parent, migration certificate if you are not from Haryana board and CBSE board, and character certificate. Documents required for reserve category students are copy of 10th and 12th class DMC, 2 passport size photographs, mobile number of student and her parent, migration certificate if you are not from Haryana board and CBSE board, character certificate, caste certificate, copy of Aadhaar card and bank account number of students, and income certificate of parents. So aspirants, to be part of our glorious college, you have to make sure that you select KL Mehta Dayanand College for Women Faridabad as your first choice while filling the admission form. The reservation of seats is as per reservation policy of the State Government of Haryana and is subject to change or amendment made by the State Government from time to time. For any queries regarding admissions and course related, you can contact us at these numbers. For admission related query, please contact Ms. Bhavna, Ms. Hina or Ms. Rachna. For BCA and MSc Computer Science course, please contact Dr. Neha Jain. Through this video, we will exhibit the dynamic and vivacious atmosphere of the college. Your future starts here. The college has sprawling campus of 5.5 acre land, botanical garden, lush green playgrounds, cricket pitch, basketball and volleyball court, yoga and judo rooms, canteen, common room, auditorium, computerized labs, seminar hall, digital library, yagyashala, etc. There are 8 well-equipped computer labs and 10 other labs, that is physics, chemistry, home science, zoology, botany, etc. Our infrastructure is not standing only on bricks and mortar, but also on our core values, namely discipline, dedication, determination, integrity, and involvement. Our students bring laurels to the college by getting positions in the university. Many students are placed in the university merit list every year. The college imparts education in the fields of arts, BSc Medical, BSc Non-Medical, BSc Biotech, BSc Home Science, BCom Pass, BCom Honours, BCom CA and BBA. Besides the undergraduate and postgraduate courses, college is also running various add-on courses such as fashion designing, early child care and education, and accounting on computer, 3 NSDC courses, 2 NIIT courses, and PO coaching classes for the benefit of students. You can get their detail on our website under the head Course. College came into being with 250 girls and now has 4,000 students on its rolls. The college comprises of 145 regular and ad hoc staff members, of whom 33 are PhD, 21 MPhil and 30 NET qualified. They do not only work hard with students but are also zealously engaged in their academic pursuits as well. The library plays a pivotal role in the learning activities of the students and is reckoned as a crown of any educational institution. With this consideration, our library acts as an important learning resource center. We have a digital library with a comprehensive collection of latest books, e-books, journals, e-journals, magazines and subscription to endless program of InflipNet. The college also has book bank facility to cater to the needs of poor students. College spares no effort to provide financial assistance to those who cannot afford higher education. DGHE is the source of awarding financial assistance to SC/BC category and Ward of Freedom fighter. Besides that, DGHE also provides financial assistance to meritorious students under State Merit category and University Merit category. Apart from government scholarships, Wazir Chand Trust also provides assistance for welfare of students.
The whole purpose of education is to turn green buds into beautiful flowers. Our college provides various platforms beyond curriculum so that these buds can blossom. Our college pays adequate attention to multifarious games like archery, taekwondo, cricket, kabaddi, chess, baseball, basketball, so that students can be encouraged to develop team spirit and sportsmanship. Every year on Sports Day, our college sporting icons are lauded and awarded with trophies. Apart from academics, our college aims at providing a platform for gifted youth to showcase their cultural talents. Youth Festival is the most effective way of bringing the youth together on the same platform, boosting social interaction and exchanging of many ideas and concepts. Our participation in University Youth Festival has been significant. Our students brought laurels to the college by grabbing several positions in zonal and interzonal youth fest. College is always humming with activities of various subject societies and forums. Essay writing, recitation, paper reading, quiz, story writing, shlok uchcharan are regular feature of literary society to unfold students' talent. Social Science Department organizes various thought-provoking activities and competitions like PPT presentation, extempore, quiz. Political Science Department also organized various awareness programs under systematic voter education and electoral participation campaign. Department of History has set up National Trust for Preservation of Cultural Heritage at college level under able guidance of Shri Anand Mehta to make students understand about the glory of Indian heritage. Apart from holding various inter and intra-college competitions, Commerce and Management Department provides opportunities to students to participate in various seminars and workshops for all-round development of students and to outline the research writing skills among them. The success of Miraki 2019 and inter-college research writing competition added a feather in the cap. In every session, Technobuzz, organized by Department of Computer Science, brought a platform for students to explore their technical capabilities. Science department holds various intra and inter-college competitions like model making, PPT making, poster and bag making, best out of waste, etc. Wildlife Week, water conservation awareness are some of its important events. Students brought glory to the college by winning several inter-college competitions. Home Science Department organizes inter and intra-college competitions like nutrition recipe contest, rangoli making, thali decoration, poster making. Breastfeeding Week, Nutrition Week are some of its most significant events. Students of this department have got placed in prestigious hospitals as dietitians and in reputed export houses as designers. We have 2 units of NSS working in our college since 1976-77 to channelize youthful energies for students for social work. The volunteers of NSS participate in activities like tree plantation, cleaning campaign, blood donation camp, rallies to spread awareness on Swachh Bharat, etc. NSS has adopted Pali village where it carries out social activities. The main objective of Youth Red Cross and Red Ribbon Club is to promote health and hygiene consciousness in students. It celebrates various important days like World Health Day, AIDS Divas, Anti-Drug Day, etc. Being a women's institution, Women's Cell in our college has striven to awaken the girls by enlightening them regarding gender bias persisting in our society till date and to recognize their true potential. Women's Cell also celebrates Sawan Fest and International Women's Day every year. College has collaborated with NSDC and iPrime to provide skill development courses and placement opportunities to students. This year, good number of students is placed in big companies such as BT Logic, Capgemini, HGS, etc. Our placement cell organizes various lectures, seminars and job fairs to make students understand the need of market and recruiters. The college has legal literacy cell in compliance with mandate of Legal Service Authority Act 1987. The cell has undertaken various measures for spreading legal literacy to spread legal awareness among students regarding their rights and privileges. College is also having voter club to encourage young voters to strengthen participatory democracy and road safety club to make them understand their duties as responsible citizens. Mahima Chaudhary from MCOM deserves commendation on winning Rs 31,000 cash prize in essay writing competition at state level organized by Office of Chief Electoral Officer, Haryana, held on National Voters' Day. College celebrates the convocation ceremony every year. This is a defining moment in every student's life, giving their self-esteem a boost and a chance to celebrate this accomplishment with their friends and teachers. Education is not the preparation for life. Education is life itself. An educated girl has direction and can show direction to the world. She is capable of changing the world. Keep watching this video. We will keep you updated as university issues any notice. Thank you.